Yo, it's that time. The man Flavour, all the way from Nigeria, talking on Zoom, of course. He is live with us, so we're going to talk about everything. Can we get him right now? Flavour, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Man, before this, we had a little, mic check. I nearly burst out. I was about to make a lot of noise and disgrace myself because I'm talking to a legend. How you doing, man? It's so good to talk to you.
Good to talk to you, bro. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. And you have new music out. You're a legend in your own right. We have so much to talk about. But first off, the first thing I want to talk to you about is 16 years in the game, in music. I'm not wasting no time. Does it even feel like 16 years, Flavour?
Well, it feels good, to have come all this far, and everything is working out well. So I thank God. It's been a hell of many years of consistency, ups and downs, but we thank God for everything. We keep pushing.
Amen to that. And what has Flavour been doing differently? Because, we see young artists and we see legends, of past, like Fela. In America, we see Puff Daddy and Jay-Z. In Nigeria, we see yourself. We see the young guys like Davido. But what is Flavour doing differently? Because you've always stayed true to your type of music, and it works so well. So what has kept you in this state of mind when it comes to your music?
Well, Flavour has been original, from the get-go. It's about originality, because if you are original, people can feel you, people can enjoy your craft, people can get entertained, by what you do, so, but if you're not original, it's gonna be very difficult for you over the years, so I've always said that to myself coming out, that whatever I'm doing, I have to stay, true to my sound, to my roots, and to everything I stand for, so, and it's been working out for me so far. I do Highlife, and Highlife has been everything for me. That this is like life, for me. The sound is so great, and it is what it is.
Yeah, we're going to talk about that more. Obviously we're talking to you from Ghana, but an interesting thing I want to ask you is, a lot of people don't pay attention to this, but has it been difficult staying original? Now, we know you've done it, and through the 90s, the 80s, the 2000s, there's a certain type of music that is making a lot of noise at that particular time. But you said, which I love so much, is the originality. For that young artist watching, is it necessarily difficult to stay original? Or you'd say not necessarily so?
Yeah, because it pays off at the end of the day. If you look at everything, if you try to evaluate everything, you see that if you're jumping from one sound to the other, no matter how good you are, it will be difficult, to pin you, for your fans to get together, except you're a versatile musician, then you can go all the way to tell yourself, okay, I can do this, I can do that. For me, even though I'm a versatile musician, I know I can do a lot of stuff musically. At the same time, I try whatever it is I'm doing musically. You must hear that original flavor, that will still, get you to my sound. Yeah.
That's awesome. Now, another thing is, being as big as you are, I'm not sure it's been the easiest journey, because, we always see, the fashion statements, the new music videos, you're on stage, you're doing your thing. You have fans like myself who are always looking up to you. Let's talk about what has been the most difficult part, if there have been any, about this journey, about dealing with, so to speak, fame and all the fans. Has it been difficult? Has there been anything that has been very difficult to deal with?
Yeah, it has, in so many ways. I've when you get into this fame thing, at some point it takes over you. But the good thing about it is, how do you respond? How do you get back to knowing that this is where I started from? I have to remain close to my roots. I have to be humble because I know where I'm going is just a far journey, So I better tighten up, my seatbelt and expect a lot of things on the way. So it's been very difficult staying true to yourself and trying to, go past these temptations here and there. Some of them you have to fall into it because it makes you stronger and it makes you, more aware of who you are. So for me, everything is just an experience for me. It's lifestyle. I'm living it. I made mistakes and I get to understand from my mistakes. I get to learn from my mistakes. So I'm up for it. I'm born to do this.
Nice one. One thing I love about you also is you're so honest. It's like you speak through your music to your fans. Now let's flip the coin. What's been the most exciting part about the journey? I'm not going to lie. You have taken all our girls in Ghana here. When you come and you perform, they don't talk to us again. That one, I'm going to call you, then you give me the tips. But what's been the most exciting thing about this journey so far? Because we know you have so many years to go. We know you have so many more awards to win. But so far for Flavour, what has been that most exciting part?
The exciting part is like coming from nothing and then you see yourself as something. It's just exciting because in the beginning days, you never thought it was gonna come to pass. And then here you are. It's like a dream come true. So it's so exciting. Like I wake up some days and I'll be like, yo, I think this is Flavour. This is that person you've always wanted to become. So it's just so exciting, trust me. Yeah,
nice one. Now let's focus a bit on the music, man. African music is doing so well, and obviously you're one of the front runners, so it's always good to have these kind of conversations. I mean, like I said earlier on, we have people like yourself, we have the legends like Two-Face, Dibia. When you come to Ghana, we have Kodrentry, we have Daddy Lumba. Now we have the young kids who are doing so well, legends, Burna Boy and stuff. Did you see African music getting this big with Afrobeats at the Grammys? You're touring the world. Did you see it getting to this place?
Well, I had that feeling when I was coming out. It's just for everybody, each and every one of us to play their part so well, give it all you got. African music is taking over everywhere. It's now a global thing. So now is our time. It's time for each and every country or continent to get to know who we are. To get to know what we are like, what we sound like, what our sound is, And this is the time we're getting that global recognition. And I believe as time, goes on, we'll do more, And more is coming. There's so many young ones, on fire, burning. They can't wait, They can't wait. So the fire is in us. Everybody's watching. Everybody is in tune with what's going on in Africa. So I think we're doing a good job.
Yeah, interesting, man. Good to hear. Now, you spoke about Highlife, and obviously you have a great connection to Ghana. I always say on my show, when it comes to Nigerians, the music and the food, we have taken it to ourselves. And whenever you come to Ghana, we're going to give you more Ghana jollof, of course, because you are our brothers and sisters, of course. Tell us about your connection to Ghanaian music. You've been to Ghana a couple of times, your favorite artists, and how Ghana has been part of your journey so far.
Yeah, Ghana is a place I love so much. Beautiful people, great brothers and sisters. And one thing that also connects me more to Ghana is the sound, the Highlife sound. Is way big there. It has its roots, in Ghana. And Highlife is my sound. Now that Afrobeat is getting so much recognition, I think it's time for also Africa to show that we have different genres of music. Like Highlife. There's a bongo flavor, the one from Diamond, listen to Fali Pupa, the Sukus, the Makosa, you know, the Fuji. We have so much, you know, to show the world that we are rich in music, you know. So Ghana is that country that they don't joke with their roots, they don't joke with their tradition, and Highlife is a key genre in Ghana, you know. So is an original sound, and it will never ever fade away, never go away. That's what we're trying to do. That's what people like me, I put it upon myself that this is a sound that I love so much. I grew up listening to the Tosadebes, the old shows, Mensa, all that, you know, and they played a huge role, you know, in my career, coming up, growing up. You know, so it's that original sound that must get you up and going whenever you listen to it. You know, I'm happy right now that we're pushing, we're pushing it to the world to see that, to make it become a global thing. You know.
That's very interesting you're talking about this, because this is a conversation that's been going on in Ghana most recently, you know. We've had legends saying that we should push the high life music more. So thank you so much for this. For myself personally, to you, that you recognize this genre of music as big as you are, staying true to who you are, and it's a very great thing to see. And it's something a lot of us can learn from, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And we're definitely going to do that. Nice one. Now, the music. This new music first, before we focus on the music, the waist. I've been trying for some time. It just isn't working. But I'm a slim guy. What am I doing wrong? Because we have you, we have Fali Pupa, and we have Diamond Platinums. And the waist, what am I not doing right? Please, I need some tips. Please teach me something. Just tell me something. Something.
Okay. I think you have to stretch.
I have to
more.
stretch.
Yeah. And then the waist, you have to put it to work.
Okay. Now we're talking chambers. We're talking deep chambers. But this new music, man, tell us about this. And, you know, like I said, you have a Hall of Famer in Fali Pupa, Diamond Platinums. I mean, there's not much more we can say about him, you know. And you have you yourself. Why do you think it was necessary to get them on the song, have such amazing visuals for such an impeccable song, man?
Yeah, when I heard the song the first time, my producer, Mastercraft, we were running through some beats, and then some of the freestyles we did in the past, you know, that came on, and we vibed to it, and we were like, yo, this is a big tune, you know, for Africa. Because if you're looking for that African music, that African sound is rich here. You got it, you know. And the best way to make it, you know, global is to unite and get more other African brothers in it. You know, so I've been thinking about that, but because of the situation of everything, the COVID and all that, it's not easy for us to get together, you know, to make the song, traveling from one region to the other, you know. But we took the risks, and it finally paid off, and I'm happy we have a great song together, and it's doing so well, and everybody's happy. The fans, they are happy, you know.
Yeah, we're very happy. We're very, very happy. But one thing I want to ask you is, being as big as you are, you know, and being as consistent as you are, whenever Flavour is dropping new music, are you a bit wary of the response, or you're like calm? Because, you know, when an artist has so much consistency, again, like I said, 16 years, I don't know how you've done it, but you're such an incredible person. How do you deal with dropping new? Are you a bit nervous when you're dropping new music?
You're a human being apart from being an artist, because sometimes the fans can't just get enough.
Yeah.
You know, so if what you're doing, you know, gets to you and you're so serious with it, at some point you get, it's a good feeling, it's not a bad feeling. You know, I don't know how to put it, whether to say being nervous or you know, just being too overexcited that you did a good job. Most especially when you've done something good and you watch it with your people, you know, and everybody's looking at it like, yo, this is it. people that will tell you the truth, not psycho fans, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm happy I've got a great team around me. They've been pushing, and everything is going well.
Yeah, yeah, man. And you are pushing in, again, Africa, Ghana, Nigeria. We're so proud of you and everything you do. But moving forward, as you said rightly, so, you know, because of the pandemic, staying inside, artists couldn't perform as much, you know, not releasing as much music, but you've come with a banger. What's the way moving forward? Are we getting more music, albums? What's happening for the fans who are tuned in right now, Flavour?
Yeah. Good thing the world is open, it's getting open right now. You know, the whole pandemic era is going down, and people are now beginning to come outside. I mean, America, summer here is already lit, you know, so I think the next thing forward is to give them that sound, bring back entertainment. You know, people have missed a lot, you know, over the time. And this is the best time to get them entertained with whatever you are. And that's my job, to entertain people, to make people happy. You know, so more things to come, more EPs, more visuals, more, you know, music. So yeah.
Nice.
But right now I'm on tour. I'm on tour right now. So that's what's up with me.
You're on tour in America. Are you getting any international collaborations? You know, right now when that's for the fans. Any more international collaborations from Flavour? Maybe.
100%.
Oh.
100%. Yeah, it will.
Big brother, I know you're not giving me a name, but a hint.
No, I won't.
I know.
Give you for now.
What about Ghana though? Any artists you're looking to work with in Ghana?
You know, I have a lot of brothers in Ghana. I have Sark, you know, who I respect so much. I love Shatta. I love Stonebwoy, you know, and so many Ghanaian, you know, acts are doing so well. I love they're keeping their sound, you know, and I urge them, you know, we keep doing things together, big things together. We're all brothers. Africa is one, you know.
Yeah, nice one. Hopefully, like I said earlier on, hopefully, because you love Highlife so much, you might work with some of our legends. Maybe, you know, we have Kodentry, Daddy Lumba. Maybe that would be wonderful to see. Yeah. That'd be wonderful to see.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, please consider it big time, you know, for us. Right? Nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, Ghana. What's your favorite Ghanaian dish so far? For all the Ghanaian fans.
Ghana jollof.
Ghana jollof. This is big news.
I swear.
This is big news, Flavour.
Ghana jollof. I know they joke with that at all. Make nobody use that play with me.
Okay. We like you even more so now. Okay, let me see. Favorite Ghanaian music out so far? Are you listening to anything Ghanaian so far? Any Ghanaian music you're listening to so far?
Yeah, I'm always checking out for guys, you know. I'm always checking out. There's this new one by Sark, not quite long ago.
Coachella?
There's also one with
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So I'm always there with you guys.
Nice one. Now, before you do leave us, I want you to teach me something to say in Nigeria. Like if I meet a lady and I want to say, I love you so much, how do I say it? You know, because there's this Nigerian girl who's not picking my call, so I'm trying to get my game up. How do I say, I love you so much? I don't know.
Okay. If you say love, you go there too fast. If you just see and tell them, say, fine girl, I dey feel you.
That's simple. It go
That's simple. That's fine girl, I dey feel you.
Okay.
Tell them, say you dey feel am.
Okay, then I go add the waist and do the stretch. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna add all of that. Flay, before you leave us, what do you want to tell your fans, you know, your young fans, that young guy or young girl who wants to be like you so much, who looks up to you, all the people you inspire, man, what do you want to tell them?
Yeah, to all the fans out there, first of all, I want to say thank you, you know, for supporting me, my music and everything. over the years. I appreciate, and may God bless you guys so much. And then the young ones are coming up. Keep up with what you're doing. Never stop. Believe in yourself. You can do it. And you're already doing it, and it's gonna happen. You know.
Amen.
And bless everyone.
Amen. God bless you, man. It's such a blessing talking to you. You know, you impact so much knowledge with what you've done so far in your career. And hopefully we can have a career like yours and continue to learn from you. And please keep dropping new music, keep entertaining us. Come back to Ghana. So when are you coming back? Flavour, when are you coming to Ghana?
Once I'm back in Africa, I'll come to you.
You come back. Nice one. Nice one. A line from your new song, maybe something small from your new song. A line or two.
Bena baby, see as you fine. Oh. Bena baby, see as you fresh, yo. Now only monkey go say you no fine, Bena.
Hey, thank you so much, man. God bless you. Can't wait to talk to you some more. That was the man, Flavour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Please stay blessed, and we can't wait to have you back in Africa. Big brother, of course. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Yeah, peace. So yes, guys, that was Flavour. You know, we spoke about a lot of stuff. I love my job. You know, about his music, about dropping this new one, you know, Burner, the Reloaded, featuring Fali Ipupa. And it's got Diamond Platinums on there. And one thing I really loved about this interview, which we're really gonna focus on a lot in the coming days, is he spoke about Highlife. Because there's been this conversation, like I said, you know, Shatta spoke about it, about not just necessarily one genre, I think, but giving more attention to one genre. And it's become a big conversation, you know. Some people agree, some people tend not to agree too much. But the thing is, Highlife is our music. No matter what we do, it is the music of the people. And even with modern songs, you know, you have a hint of Highlife in there. So to hear someone like Flavour from Nigeria, who's doing it internationally, who's not even in Africa right now, but still talking about Highlife music, about the fact that he stayed consistent for so many years because he's been original. And you know, there are a lot of artists out there who are probably watching this who are like, they want to switch it up because they feel like they're not getting the attention. This guy in this interview on MX24 is testament to the fact that you have to stay true to who you are and true to what you believe in, man. Incredible interview. And we're going to bring you more of these interviews. I promise you, we're going to have the biggest and the best conversation. So that was Flavour. But right now, again, his brand new music video. And he told me to stretch and get the waist up. So I need to get in the zone.